Yo, what's happening, everybody? It's your boy Freed with CartoonFunk.com, and today I want to show you a quick and easy way to draw a cartoon character, design a cartoon character in Adobe Flash without having to use a drawing tablet. Now, when I first started to draw digitally, I did not have a tablet like a Wacom Cintiq, and to be candid with you, I couldn't afford one, right? I am a starving artist. I just want to get my content out there in a digital format, and I wanted to do it quickly but efficiently and still have a credible source of content, a credible image that I can put out there to the world and be proud of. So I want to show you some quick and easy techniques and concepts to apply in Adobe Flash, any version. I'm using CS4 right now, but this will work in any version of Adobe Flash. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have the sketch that you're going to import into Flash, and I'm assuming that you have some working knowledge of Flash and its interface. So this is more of an intermediate tutorial, right? Now I'm going to have the oval tool selected. We're going to do this in layers. We're going to start with the base of the head, and then we're going to work our way to the bandana, then the eyes, and then the mouth. And we're just going to have a basic shape, a basic image. This isn't going to be highly detailed or anything. So I've got the fill color. We're going to change it to like a green. All right, let's do, I don't know, this green right here will work because we're making a Ninja Turtle. And we're going to drop the alpha down slightly. All right, you want to be able to see the shape that you're making, but you also want to be able to see the reference that's below it. One of the first things I learned when I was making characters is that they could easily be defined or recognized by their shapes and their silhouettes. So all Flash is just taking the shapes and manipulating them. That's it. So you bring in this little oval and you just manipulate the shape, and there you have it, the base of a Ninja Turtle head, right? You know that's a Ninja Turtle when you just, if you were to just look at the shape of the outside of the head, you know it's a Ninja Turtle or a Goomba from Super Mario Brothers. That's pretty much the same shape, like a mushroom shape, right? So we got that. We're gonna lock that layer. Next, we're gonna go to the bandana. We're gonna hit R, which is the rectangle tool. I want to change this color from green to red because Raph is probably my favorite Ninja Turtle. The most gangster of all, that's for sure. We're going to make this rectangle here. I'm going to hit V, and V is going to allow you to just manipulate the shape. Anytime you go to the edge of the shape, if you move it around, it'll actually snap to the shape that's at the bottom or beneath that actual bandana shape or rectangle shape. So it's actually snapping to the head base that we made. All right. So I'm just kind of moving it around, and typically I would zoom in, but I wanted to keep this kind of quick for you. So you've got the base of the head in the bandana. Next, we're going to lock this layer, and we're going to go to the eyes. I'm going to again have the rectangle tool selected. We're going to choose white as the color. Then I'm going to just create a box, rectangle shape. We're going to select V, which is the select tool, and we're going to move this down. And again, you're just manipulating it like clay. It's all it is. It's just, this is your shape to do whatever you want with it. I'm going to select that eye shape. I'm going to do Control C, and then I'm going to do Control Shift V, which is going to paste that shape in place. I'm going to hit Shift and the arrow right and just move it over. Then I'm going to go to Modify, Transform, Flip Horizontal. You've already got your face, your Ninja Turtle face right there. I'm going to lock that layer. I'm going to go to Mouth. All right, the mouth layer. Then we're going to hit N, which is the line tool. Okay, you want that stroke there. And then you're just going to drag that line across, hit V. Boom. This is, and you can move the mouth down, you can drag it around, whatever. This again is not highly detailed, but we're going to go back, go to the base of the head, make sure it's selected. We're going to up the alpha to 100%. So now you can kind of get an idea. Then we're going to select, we're going to lock that, unlock the bandana layer, select the bandana layer, up that alpha to 100%. Do the same thing with the eyes. Just go back, up the alpha to 100%, and there you have it. You've got a basic Ninja Turtle, kind of a South Park style Ninja Turtle, but it's a Ninja Turtle nonetheless. The main thing I want you to take away from this is that you can create the type of shape you want, okay, by just going to the edges of the shape and manipulating it. And I'm using a trackpad and a mouse, okay, and this will get you over until you can actually go out and get a tablet, an actual tablet, and you can kind of see once you have the alpha turned up how everything fits or not, and you can just edit it accordingly and put it out, and this will give you a credible. I could put this out now and get love on it because everybody loves the Ninja Turtles and recognizes them, and it's just easy to do. So keep it easy, keep it simple, start with something that everybody's gonna be attracted to, and go from there. So keep creating, don't conform, create and transform. This is Freed with CartoonFunk.com. Check y'all out later.